geometry, space, and the body are all forms of geometric shapes that exist in our surroundings. Geometry is the study of shapes and patterns, and it applies to everything from the way we build our houses to the shapes we make with words on a page. Space is also a form of geometry, and it refers to the area around us. We use space to move around, to play sports, and to interact with other people. The body is also a form of geometry, as it is made up of bones, muscles, and other tissues that shape and form our physical characteristics. All of these shapes and patterns are based on the principles of geometry, which means that understanding them can help give us a better understanding of the world around us. For example, when we learn about the Pythagorean theorem, we learn about the relationship between the lengths of three sides of a right triangle and the area of a square that is formed. This theorem is then applied to fields such as architecture, engineering, and even music. In conclusion, geometry, space, and the body have much in common. They are all forms of geometric shapes that help us understand the world around us and make sense of our surroundings. Also, I want to talk about chakras and their relationship with geometry. Before we dive into it, let's understand what a chakra is. A chakra is an energy center that surrounds and flows through every single cell in our body. It is considered to be the wheel of energy that controls and regulates all our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects. Now, when we talk about chakras and geometry, we are talking about the relationship between the 7 main chakras and the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Each chakra is associated with one of the elements and has its own unique geometry. For example, the root chakra, which is the first chakra, is associated with the earth element and has a square geometry. The sacral chakra, which is the second chakra, is associated with water and has a circle geometry. The solar plexus chakra, which is the third chakra, is associated with fire and has a triangle geometry. The heart or fourth chakra is associated with the air element and has a diamond geometry. The third eye or fifth chakra is associated with space and has a pentagonal geometry. These geometries help us understand the different aspects of our life and bring clarity about our strengths, weaknesses, challenges, and opportunities. Understanding the relationship between the chakras and geometry helps us connect with our inner selves and improve our overall well-being. In summary, chakras are energy centers that circulate through our body and are associated with the 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. Each chakra has its unique geometry that helps us understand our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects. By understanding the relationship between chakras and geometry, we can achieve inner peace, clarity, and harmony in our lives. Thanks for listening.